Alright, I'll show you how to replace the motherboard and the USB board on Seiki cutter. So to access the motherboard and the USB board, you need to remove this cover. There is 3 screws located here and 2 here. Yeah, so once you remove those, you get access to a cover. Okay, so this is your USB board. So quite straightforward process to removing. There's 2 screws that hold the board aside. So once you remove that, you can just take it out, disconnect this cable and put the new one in. And the board is located right here as well. So there's a few screws that hold in the board. Just remove those and then take your replacement motherboard and just replace one connection at a time, so it's easier. That's it. Once you do that, just put it back together and that's it.